Awesome guys, let's talk about why you should buy this machine.
Yeah, next to us is the Prestige R2 Pro paired with the Miro 13 Max. If you've ever thought about doing apparel, maybe starting a business, this is the best way to get into direct-to-film printing. Now I know a lot of people are afraid to get into DTF, but JC, why this setup?
Well, it gives you great quality, low maintenance, it's a reliable machine, and it's pretty fast for being that small.
Yeah, you know what? With such a small footprint, you would think that it's slow, but that could be farther from the truth. We can do about 30 10x10 or 12x12 prints per hour. And you know what's really cool? It's really inexpensive to make your own transfers at home. Now I know JC, you go to a lot of sign shops. How are they making their DTF? What are they doing?
Well, right now you're all outsourcing. I know that because I go to all your shops and you tell me the same story. I outsource my screen print, I outsource my DTF. Now is your moment. Take the chance on this DTF machine.
Yeah, as soon as you realize how inexpensive it is to make a DTF transfer, I'm talking 45 to 50 cents for a full color t-shirt versus $7, $8 of what you're paying with the Prestige R2 Pro. It is a no-brainer. Now I know Grimco, sign shop, I hear it all the time, but you deal with screen printers. Do screen printers need a machine like this?
Yeah, they can. If you have 1 to 2 presses and you want to get your feet wet in DTF, please do it. This is a perfect machine. And if you want something bigger, DTF Station has the printer that you need.
Yeah, you know, we're highlighting the R2 Pro, but we have different models. We have 24-inch models, we have 9-color models. We have a machine for you, whether you're a large screen print shop or just a startup. But if you're looking to get into DTF, right here next to me is the Prestige R2 Pro, next to the Miro 13 Max. Now we have a lot of machines, but I know Grimco has a lot of specialists. JC, where can they buy this?
Well, first of all, I would recommend that you get interested in this machine. Go to grimco.com, look at all the videos, all the features, and then call your rep and tell them, I'm ready to take this step to buy my first DTF machine.
Don't be scared, guys. DTF is here. It is trendy. It is popular. It is the best way to get into apparel. And we have Grimco behind us backing it. What are you waiting for?
Let's go.